Hey gang, I'm Mr. Phil. We're in the workshop and you are watching an update video. Today's date is Monday, November 2nd, 2020, and the first full business week as Gurat's Hair Workshop concluded Saturday, and the reaction to it and the reaction to the name, the support to the name has been overwhelmingly positive, and it seems as if the name finally matches the culture and community here in the shop. And that is extremely exciting because I feel like I'm at home, completely at home, and ready to present to you what it means for me to be here and be part of this shop as we go forward through 2020 and beyond. Now, a lot of the things that have not changed for you are how we book sessions. The time frames of how we run sessions haven't changed. The services on the menu online really haven't changed. I made some additions, and those are some of the features and new services that I'll talk about in the weeks to come. For instance, I'm now going to find a way to include headshot photography into the day-to-day offerings here at the workshop, because I realize with this new lighting setup that you can't really see because it's just out of frame, but my new big LED spotlight and my little reflector card over here, I'm now able to do headshot photography in the easiest way possible. So one of the ideas I've been having lately is if you want a headshot for anything, for your LinkedIn profile, your Facebook business profile, your corporate identity, your independent artist identity, the list goes on and on for uses of headshots, we can now pair your haircut with a headshot sitting and do it in a very small time frame without greatly affecting schedules so that I would have to book headshots on a separate day. And what better way to have a headshot done than have it done right after your hair is cut, cleaned, dried, and styled specifically for that photo. So if that's something that you are all interested in, let me know. I'll price it, I'll program it, and I'll put it on the website. These are the kinds of things that I feel will happen at Hair Workshop. I feel like bringing in the word workshop again is something collaborative, creative, and is something very evolutionary that we as a community can grow and change and evolve with. The other really cool thing that's been going on in our Gurat's Hair Workshop era is the introduction and the use of Verb products here in the shop. I will tell you about Verb. They are a company that I've known about now for about 8 years, and they're based in New York City. They're a hair care, hair styling line that fits all of our goals, socially conscious to your needs as humans. And they've removed a lot of the for men, for women, for this style, for that style, and they just make product that fits everyone's needs at the $18 price point. Everything about Verb is just really cool. Everything from just their packaging is very plain, very simple, very clean to the point, to their pricing, which is affordable at $18 maximum for any one product. And so that puts professional grade product into your hands for a lot less money than some of the other salon style brands that I've endorsed over the years. I really think that products should augment a haircut, products should augment a hairstyle. It should not be something, a mandatory piece in order for you to recreate or maintain that haircut or hairstyle. So using Verb at a price point that everybody can enter into and stay with is really, really cool. It's free from the harsh, nasty chemicals that dry out, damage, or artificially enhance your hair. It's full of the purest and most gentle but effective ingredients around, and so you don't feel like you're gumming up your hair with a lot of filler or a lot of harsh stuff. But really what Verb does for this shop is gives us flexibility, it gives us precision, it gives us creativity, all the while giving your hair something extremely healthy and evolutionary, meaning it's a progressive product. The more you use it, the safer and more protected and healthier your hair becomes. And that reminds me of Ruzel. And with Ruzel, we've expanded more products from them for this year. They now have a dedicated line of beard-specific rinse, wash, and serums. This is really cool because you don't need a beard oil to soften and straighten hair anymore, and you don't need a conditioner. They've put those two things together into beard serum. It's part oil, it's part straightener, but it's also an oil-based conditioner for your beard, mustache, and skin there around it. Then there is the rinseless beard wash, Refresh, and that is something I've already tested with a couple of people here this week, and it's wild to see how the beard goes from coarse, matted, knotted, and you put in Refresh on dry hair, scrub it through with your fingers, comb it through, let it air dry, and beards, they become fuller, the tangles are gone, the coarseness is pulled out, and it's left protected, cleansed, and refreshed without ever having to rinse it out. And then the last one that they have is a water-based scrub. So again, maybe while in the shower, rinse the beard, put it in the scrub, get it lathered up and rinse it out, and then dry it. These new products from Ruzl are all extremely effective. In these times when beards and masks go together, at least with the new Ruzl beard line, your beards will have a lot more protection, shine, and strength as you use them. Other than that, the products from Ruzl are continuing to ship on schedule as always, and we are now restocked on hair tonic, grooming tonic, shampoo, conditioner. We're restocked on the fiber gel, we're restocked on matte styling paste, grooming cream, fiber cream, and we're restocked on all the pomades, and we are restocked on Extreme Hold. So product throughout all these times during COVID season hasn't really slowed down. I think I'm noticing a change in how people are using products since many of you are working from home and are not using the pomades and the gels to style your hair as much as you used to. So I'm starting to notice that people are buying more things in line with hair tonic, grooming tonic, light styling sprays, light styling hold products. And so as we're talking about the things that make Hair Workshop what Hair Workshop is, I have to include that I've been doing a lot more training with you. I've been reading, researching, watching videos on hair cutting, hair care methods that interest me and applying them to your services here in the shop. Because one of the nice things about COVID season is with that door locked and only one person in the chair and one person in the shop at a time, I'm able to really expand my methodology and my techniques to further customize your haircuts and your hair care sessions to what you're looking for. That has been such a wonderful side note of COVID season, that all the frustrations have led us down to this path of progress and enhanced focus. I think that's really cool. So me as a technician, I've been really studying more about things that keep your haircuts more balanced and things that keep your haircuts more customized to your lifestyle, to how you imagine your haircuts functioning once you leave here and go out to the greater world and do with your haircuts what you will. And that, I think, is really the extension of Hair Workshop, is now not worrying so much about keeping to the look and feel of a barber haircut. No, I mean, I never really cared about that stuff, but I tried very hard to make it look like what a barber would do, and sometimes I forgot to do it the way I would do it, just because good hair to all of you is a very different thing. Good hair to you is something that changes and evolves and grows. And so looking at the haircuts and the haircut photos that we've been creating since June 1st, I see a really cool shift towards a new style of what the haircuts coming out of this shop look like. I don't know if it's a lot of a conscious decision. As I said, it's just an evolutionary progression of how I am adapting my thoughts, feelings, ideas, and concepts of hair through my tools into your hair. But it certainly feels good to be creating on that level and being so busy and not losing steps despite being busy. And with Verb and with Ruzl and with Hair Workshop all blended together with all these new tools and all these new methods and all these new techniques, I'm unlocking something in your haircuts that I really feel like mark this chapter going forward as something very unique. And that's something that Hair Workshop is all about, is that evolution. Again, I keep coming back to evolution because I feel as if This shop has always been about evolution, and to have you all evolve with me, it's pretty cool. And now with Hair Workshop being something that will be seen from the street because the new signs will be finished this month, it's going to ask a lot of questions of me. What does it mean, Hair Workshop? It's going to ask a lot of questions of you. When you say, oh, Phil at Good Rat's Hair Workshop does my hair, people ask, what is Hair Workshop? So I am really excited to hear how you explain to the new people what Hair Workshop means to you. So in the comments below, please do tell me, what does Hair Workshop mean to you? That's really it, gang. I made a video earlier today, which I will link here, about the Paramount Beauty Connection membership that Good Rat's Hair Workshop is now part of. And if you're interested in checking out that video, it will be linked here, or let me know and I can send you the link. This new week, what's our plan? Our plan is to get everything set up here in the shop for the rest of today, so that way tomorrow when I reopen for business on Tuesday, the shelves are stocked, product is visible, the new Ruzel products and the new Verb products will be in the computer, so in case anyone wants to purchase them, they'll be ready to ring out. I'm going to put in an order with Verb this week, so if there are any specific Verb products that you'd like to see here, check out online and let me know what you're looking for from Verb. And before I go, I want to mention that I had the pleasure of doing a scalp treatment last week using Verb products, and I was able to break down some of the dryness and some of the skin and hair conditions, residue buildup with Verb products only to give a clean, healthy, refreshed, and soothed scalp only using Verb products. And that is the kind of stuff that I look forward to doing more of here at Hair Workshop. And we'll talk more about that in future episodes of these update videos. But as always, I appreciate all of your encouragement, energy, enthusiasm, support, and love. And I appreciate the fact that you all are coming here with all of your hair ideas and having me work on them with you. But as always, thanks for watching. This is Mr. Phil signing off.